Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Okay, today we're looking at a Maytag French door refrigerator, and the complaint is that the fresh food section is a little too warm. We're getting about 42 degrees on the top shelf, and we were getting 38 degrees down lower. And that's on the highest setting here on the temperature selector. Today we're going to be replacing our control and our housing. The tools needed for this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. All right, there's going to be 3 1/4-inch screws that goes into the housing. 2 up front here and 1 in the center of the back there. In this hole here. All right, and now, the back of this just held in place by a couple of tabs. Take a flat blade screwdriver and release one side. And then we can just disconnect our 2 harnesses from the control. All right, so to remove the control from the housing, we're just going to push in on the top 2 corners, and it releases some tabs, and now we can separate them. Then the new control does not come with this cover, so we're just going to release the 2 tabs and pull our lens cover off here. All right, we're just going to put the lens cover on the new control, snap that into place. And here's our new housing. We can put the control in the housing here. Just gonna slide in on some tracks and snap into place like that. Next, we can reinstall our wiring harnesses to the control. And now we can reinstall our control housing. There's going to be these 2 tabs here that this is going to slip into, those slots, and then there's tabs on the right and left sides that'll snap into these holes over here. Kind of have to get it lined up just right. I use a flat blade to kind of pry this side over. And all right, now we can reinstall the 3 1/4-inch screws. That will complete your repair for the control and control housing. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.